Welcome to Linux, your gateway to IT careers. In this introductory module, we'll uncover why Linux is the foundational skill that unlocks countless opportunities across the entire tech landscape, from cloud and DevOps to security and software development. Welcome to this introductory chapter, where we'll delve into the pervasive presence of Linux in today's technology ecosystem. We'll start by understanding how Linux serves as the backbone of cloud computing, then move on to its critical role in DevOps, cybersecurity, software development, and even artificial intelligence. This will help you understand the vast career potential that proficiency in Linux can offer. Did you know that millions of servers supporting major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP all run on Linux? It truly powers the modern cloud. Linux is absolutely everywhere in DevOps. It's the essential platform for containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration tools such as Kubernetes. Furthermore, Linux provides the stable and flexible environment necessary for building robust continuous integration and continuous delivery, or C/CD, pipelines, which are critical for automating software development workflows. In the realm of cybersecurity, Linux is an indispensable tool. Many specialized security tools and platforms are built upon Linux, making it central to tasks such as security monitoring, penetration testing, and incident response. Its robust nature and rich ecosystem of open-source security utilities make it a go-to choice for security professionals. When it comes to software development, Linux is the environment of choice for most modern applications. Whether you're coding in Python, building intricate web applications, or designing powerful APIs, you'll find Linux provides the stable and versatile operating system needed to develop and deploy your projects efficiently. Even in cutting-edge fields like artificial intelligence, Linux plays a pivotal role. It's the preferred operating system for developing and deploying machine learning models, conducting advanced data science, and building the complex AI systems that are shaping our future. Its open-source nature and powerful command-line interface are ideal for managing intensive computational tasks. Given its widespread use, Linux skills open doors to numerous high-paying and in-demand tech roles. These include system administrators, cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, cybersecurity analysts, and software developers. Mastering Linux provides a significant competitive advantage in all these critical areas. Here's the truth about Linux in your career. While you may not explicitly have Linux administrator in your job title, you will almost certainly use Linux every single day in any modern technical role. Linux is not just another operating system. It is the fundamental operating system and the invisible foundation of nearly all modern technology infrastructure. Getting started with Linux is likely easier than you think. Our courses will guide you through essential concepts like executing commands, navigating file systems, understanding and managing user permissions, and writing powerful shell scripts. By focusing on these core skills, you'll quickly build real-world proficiency that you can apply immediately. Let's summarize this introductory chapter. We've seen that Linux is the fundamental skill powering the cloud, DevOps, cybersecurity, software development, and AI. It's the unseen foundation of modern tech, opening doors to high-paying careers across the IT landscape, and getting started is more accessible than you might imagine. Are you ready to learn Linux and unlock your potential? Start your journey today at labs.destinlearning.com.